I made this video because I want to plant a seed in your mind, a seed that will germinate and change the way you see the world. I'm Girish Menon, and I just show up on your screen and start talking about photography. I offer you free photography tips that will help you to click better pictures, and I release a new video every week. So please subscribe so that you don't miss out. Now, what's the seed that I want to plant in your mind today? I call it sketching with smartphones. My personal standards of what is or isn't a good photo are very high, but my smartphone photography endeavors aren't always about clicking the best looking pictures. Instead, it's about improving my observation skills. I say smartphone photography to make it relevant for everybody. But remember, the principles that we discuss in this video hold true for any camera. We won't talk about the camera at all. Instead, we'll talk about the light, what's in the light, and what they tell us. In this video, we'll discuss side lighting in indoor spaces, a space which has a roof over your head. I see people turning on artificial lights while clicking pictures indoors during the day. Let's try a different approach. Shadows are a key element in any picture. They have a life of their own and give life to the elements in the picture. The elements in a picture appear three-dimensional if they have a single shadow. Light coming from any one side direction into a picture make things look lifelike. This is an important lesson in photography. I'd like to share with you how all this began for me. It all began with this one picture. I noticed a couple of hand towels and body scrubs at my friend's house. It rains a lot in July in Mumbai, and it was one of those overcast afternoons. Diffused natural light came in through the bathroom window. It cast definitive but soft shadows. Soft light coming from the side accentuates every contour and texture. It was a new beginning for me. This is a very simple picture of a ball on a floor. There are a few factors that make this picture interesting. Things such as the shape of the ball, the big black dot on it, the texture of the tiles, and the vertical and horizontal lines. But it's that single light source, the window, casting those long shadows that makes it come to life. The shadows stake their claim in the picture with authority. Turn on artificial lights or open more windows, and this picture will lose its punch. The same goes with this picture. Notice how the shadows coming in from that single light source, the window again, bring life to the objects in it. I clicked this image with a substandard tilt shift app. It didn't allow me to click photos at the highest resolution on my phone, so the original image has less than 2000 pixels on the longest side. Always click pictures at the highest resolution possible. This will help you to get good quality prints. Look at that whimsical play of light and shadow on the sweater. We see a faint single shadow of the sweater. The shadow defines the form of the sweater and the images of Jesus and Mary. It's a similar side light that illuminates this sofa. Notice the play of light and shadow. These subtle differences in intensities of light makes a two-dimensional image look three-dimensional. Now I want you to try this. Identify a single window in your home or office or anywhere and open it. If there are other doors or windows in the room, shut them or draw the curtains. Observe how this light illuminates the objects it touches. Look at every single object. Notice how the areas closer to the window are brighter than areas away from it. Appreciate this natural gradient throughout the image. Click pictures where a single window light casts single shadows. If you'd like me to look at and offer you feedback on your pictures, please tag me on Instagram or Facebook at The Open Image, and I'll be happy to have a look. I also teach a 3-hour workshop on smartphone photography via Zoom. The link is in the description. Now you know a little more about lighting that will help you to click better pictures. I'll release a new video every week. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can stay current and improve your photography by leaps and bounds.